The feminine is not in control. There's no control. And we make ourselves sick when we try to control things and then we don't get our outcome because we're not in control. The only thing we have control of, or we have potential control of, is what we think, what we say, what we do. And even the thoughts, we can't control. Thoughts are like waves. We can't control which ones come, but we control which ones we ride. Meditation helps us with that. Meditation will help us say, "Oh, I'm getting off this wave. I don't like this wave. I don't like this thought process. Let me focus on something else." And even that is hard, even for someone like me who has been meditating for 13 years now, 13 and a half years now. Thank you. It's a process. I'm human. I have all the layers of human. And it's our meditation practice that gives us the ability to have any control whatsoever over our minds. So let's be clear. No one is suggesting that you can control your mind, right? So the mind does what it does. In my opinion, our job is to clear away the baggage so we can have awareness over where our mind is going. And so we can take it to the places that serve us.